What we have tonight is a Chase and Sanborn nylon truck in pretty good condition. Nice and clean. Not the best piece I own, but very nice example. And there again, represents a Ford. You know I like Fords. All the states are there. I've owned this one probably 10 years. And again, thanks.